Hello guys! If you don't already have seen all the 1000 reviews of the DJI Mic Mini on YouTube, then I'm gonna show you my kit. This will be a quick unboxing, so let's go to it.
Say hello to DJI Mic Mini, the smallest mic we've ever made.
Okay, inside the box you will find a big plastic bag and a small plastic bag with the manual and a sticker. Inside this big plastic bag you will find a nice, some kind of pouch made from nylon. Inside here, more plastic bags and silica gel. Nice bag, really nice. The microphones are inside here, of course. Let's see. And voila, look at that. That is nice. The other bag is a small one here, which contains not one and not two but 4 wind muffs. 2 gray ones and 2 black ones. Last bag has, you have the tiaras for connecting to the camera, and you have the USB-C, the USB-A, come on guys, to charge the box. The box has a USB-C on the back side. And you have the receiver, very nice indeed, with just a small number on the sides here, which you can adjust to +6 and +12 and -6 and -12. Real easy to use. I love this one. You only get the one. Oh, that was really good. Stuck really good. This is a USB-C, which you can connect on the back side here. And you don't get the lightning anymore. You have to buy that one. It's room for a lightning here, so if you remove this plastic tab, you can see there are rooms for one more over here. Clever solution, as the lightning plug is about to expire anyway. And this is the microphones. Look how cute they are. Magnets. Oh, look at the sticker has been sliding off on this one. Let's see this one then. Oh, here's the sticker in the right place. Okay, that was strange. Clear to see the sticker has been pulled off somehow. Yeah, I will have to live with that. The magnets, big, strong. Yeah. If we take a closer look at the wind muffs, there are, let's see if we can get this one in focus, hopefully. There are 2 tabs over here and 2, what do you call it? Not tabs, yeah, maybe it's tabs. Hooks. And on the front is just a lip. On the back side of this microphone you have small grooves. This is hard to see. Small grooves for these small tabs, and there are also 2 grooves or holes for the 2 tabs in the middle there. So you put it on by clipping it to the back first, and then push it forward. Snaps in place. And to take them off, I find it best to open them up by a fingernail here, and then it goes off. Let's see if you can get this one in camera as well. So on the back side, click, and it will not come off without any force. Very secure. You have to use a nail or something to release them. Fantastic! Same one on the black. The black one looks a little tinier. Let's compare them to each other. Oh! Magnets! Now I have 2 magnets on this one. Oh, they are very strong. Yeah. This one looks cuter than this one, maybe. Smaller. The good thing with the DJI Mic Mini is that you can close the box when you have the wind moves on. That was not possible with the DJI Mic 2. And if you remove the wind moves, you can attach a cable up in top of the lid here and still be able to close it. That is also a nice option. As all the accessories are not fitting inside this nice little box, I will recommend you to buy a box from AliExpress like this one. This one is my Mic 2, and there is the same problem. You can't, here you can't fit the wind moves on here either because you can't close the door. And there's no room from inside there, so you definitely need a box like this. And then you have on this one a small room on the side there which you can put them on and still fit the main box. No problem. And you have this zipper where you can put all the cables and other small accessories. DJI Mic Mini also has the same case, but in a smaller format. I will provide links for it so you can check it out. Okay guys, here you have them side by side. Mic Mini and Mic, let's do it like this. You can see it's definitely a big difference in the case and everything else. And if I manage to open them, you can see that as well. That's all folks. Hope to see you again in the next one. Thanks for watching.